Real Cafe English.
Entering the cafe.
Hello. Welcome to Daily Brew Cafe.
Hi, thank you.
Is this your first time here?
Yes, it's my first time.
Great. Would you like to eat here or take away?
Eat here, please.
Perfect. You can take a seat first or order at the counter.
Looking at the menu. I don't understand all the words.
No problem. Can I help you?
Yes, please. What is a latte?
A latte is coffee with a lot of milk. It's smooth and creamy.
Oh, sounds nice. And what is cold brew?
Cold brew is coffee made with cold water. It's strong and not hot.
I see. I think I want a latte.
Great choice. What size do you want? Small, medium, or large?
Medium, please. Ordering a snack.
Would you like anything to eat?
Yes. What is banana bread?
It's sweet bread made with bananas. It's soft and delicious.
Okay, I'll try one slice.
One medium latte and one slice of banana bread. Anything else?
That's all.
For here, right?
Yes.
The total is $5.50.
Here you go.
Thank you. I'll bring it to your table.
At the table.
Here you go, your latte and banana bread.
Thank you.
Enjoy. Let me know if you need anything.
Sure. Excuse me.
Yes?
Can I get some sugar?
Of course. Here you are.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome.
Finishing the meal.
How was everything?
It was great. The banana bread is very good.
I'm glad to hear that.
Do you have Wi-Fi?
Yes, the password is on the wall over there.
Oh, I see it. Thanks.
Take your time. No rush.
Thank you. This place is very nice.
Thank you. Come back anytime.